Hey real estate relatives, I'm your homegirl Daphne Brown with Beyond the Home Realty, and I'm so excited about today's video. We are coming to you from Adventure Cove, which is an amazing amenity located in the heart of Meridiana, located in Iowa Colony, Texas. So with all of the spectacular amenities that they have, this one is my fave. Let's get into it.
How I love the city of mine. It never gets
This event was specifically for realtors and their clients. Anyone who was interested or wanting to know information about Meridiana were invited to come with their realtors. So AJ and I had to pull up, and our client ended up ghosting us, but it's okay because we had a great time, got some great food, got to meet some great people, and really was able to learn of new things that are coming to the community. This or a truck. I think I'm gonna go with this. How about that? Have you tasted all? What's good? Is this good shit?
I haven't tried these.
Okay.
Is this just like a pumpkin cake? Yes. And I'm with Meridiana. You guys just talk a little bit about the community events, schools, everything.
Okay.
I promise you it's fine. It gets warmer. Do it. Girl, I already know you lying.
After we collected our free stuff, and it was a ton of free stuff that they were giving away, we went and found a location to put our bags and all of that, and then we decided, you know what, let's go ahead and hit the water before too many people get here, and that's just what we did. Although it does not look like it here, this is the female version of Michael Phelps. So I have no idea why she thought this water was so cold that she was about to go meet her maker. I have no idea. She's so dramatic. For those of you watching who are more focused on fitness, Adventure Cove does offer a state-of-the-art gym overlooking the wave pool, equipped with treadmills, ellipticals, free weights, and more. Now on this trip, I did not go into the gym, but I do have a video that I will tag here so that you can check that out as well.
Is it better now, baby? Is it better?
I don't care how exclusive the day is or how exclusive the community is, it's always going to be some badass kids, okay? If we're gonna tell it, then we gotta tell it all. Okay, let's give you the rest of the information on Adventure Cove, because that's what you came here for. Now, Adventure Cove isn't just any neighborhood amenity. No ma'am, Pam. It's a resident exclusive 2-acre water park that brings resort style living right to your front door. From the exhilarating wave pool and the 550-foot tidal river with waves up to 2.5 feet tall, to the relaxing island pool with in-water sun shelves and cascading waterfalls, there's literally something here for everyone. And don't let the smooth taste fool you. All these lifeguards that you see throughout this video, that's how it really is. Anytime the doors of Adventure Cove are open, there's always a massive presence of lifeguards, and I love that because what? Safety first. After going a couple rounds in the wave pool, we decided that we wanted to play a few games, and that's just what we did. So we came over to this lawn event space and decided to take part in some of the games that they had set up, and so that's just what we're doing. We played, I think, 1 or 2 games of checkers, and then, or Connect Four, and then we participated in some cornhole games. This area is also where they do a lot of the group exercises, like the yoga classes and things like that. I've known them to do that in the past. This is where those take place. After being in the water and playing all those games, we were famished, so we headed over to the food truck park. Now, on this particular day, there was a taco truck, there was a lemonade truck, and I believe there was a business there doing the charcuterie cups. We decided to opt in for the tacos, so we got a taco plate and we ended up splitting that. Then we just sat down and just kind of had some conversations about life, about business, where we want to go in both our personal and business lives. And yeah, we fed our faces. This day was so much fun, but you know, we always have to bring it back to business because that's just what we do, and we want to make sure we emphasize with you guys that Meridiana is more than just Adventure Cove. It's a 3,000-acre master plan community featuring over 100 acres of parks, 50 miles of trails, and innovative learning labs that make education fun for kids and adults alike. With homes ranging from the mid 200,000s to over 1 million, built by top-tier builders like Perry Homes, David Weekley Homes, and Shea Homes, there's a perfect fit for every lifestyle here in Meridiana. So, if you're dreaming of a community that combines luxury, education, and endless fun, Meridiana is calling your name. I'll call your name. Don't miss out on making this vibrant community your next home. And for all things Meridiana, please check out some more videos on our channel. We have several that would acquaint you more with Meridiana. But whatever you do, please make sure that you remember that your homegirls are always ready and willing to enable you to find your way home.